light skin face, light skin face.
Say what it be, I know the king, follow his lead, repeat after me. I know they lurking, this serpent is circling, but I never worry, cause he got the keys, he let it bleed, never put me on the freeze, just look how he spit it to me.
Anybody watch the election last night?
Nah. Thank you. It's one of the hardest things in the world to do.
One of the segments that they're going to talk about is
The top 5 days Ronnie can call him.
That he can what? ESPN, bro. I don't know what it's come to.
Yeah, he's going to call him. Imagine your son calling you
That's crazy. He probably do be calling him Brian. You don't know what type of relationship they got. Nah, he gonna call him Dad. He better. Then he gonna have the whole crowd saying Dad. Not worth it at all.
Manual quickly, you seen that interview? 175 mil, Manual quickly.
He got Emmanuel quickly.
Oh, yeah.
He got paid. Big money. Big chips. He got big chips. Bro, 175 mil is crazy.
This
So it's for the birds. Buy for a price you ain't know what it's worth. He not letting go like it's grandmama purse. Rolling with heavy, he feeling kinda discouraged, cause he feeling down in the dirt. I told him heavy, you only need faith, cause yes, you already did all the work. Life or death, this life is best. I'd rather see the vision complete instead of the speed to find regret. You gotta
alcohol. What was that?
Alcohol.
Skin. On your skin, bro.
Oh.
On your skin.
Yeah, I'll do it. What?
All right, bro.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you, man.
I'll see you.
Yep, see you around.
Yeah, it's a necessity at this point for sure.
so you can be free, so you never need the ice and checks. This be my plea, I lost my debt. I got a cheese and found for flex. I got a B, I got a breathe, I got a.
Yeah, it would have been nice if you're doing all this cool. You're on spot here,
Get less of range. 4 6s.
It's a 3 6. I think it's 4 6.
4 6s range. What is the 4 6?
It's famous range in Texas. A little more famous because it was on.
Every team's going to have at least 2 to 3 new jerseys that everybody can pay. If they're going to have to pay $450 million per team in this DirecTV class action lawsuit that's taking place. The Jacksonville Jaguars are up for a new stadium. They're actually going to not have a home for about a year as they're building a new stadium. They came to it preparing some coming season, and then they'll be off a season there. It makes no sense that the Super Bowl is up there showing the host city, home city, built for it. It would be a fantastic Super Bowl host. But these are nations I've seen now with the upside.
They did it here in Carolina, and I didn't think they got it, but I just didn't want to radio myself on television.
Hey, it's okay. We appreciate the hell out of you, man. You made us smarter. We'll watch. You're the man, ladies and gentlemen. Senior NHL insider and NHL network and analyst for Hockey.
Forget what a show! Goodbye!
James.
Like 6 days after.
Have a good one, man.
See this Speculate Sports Group, what they're up to?
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately,
I like him a lot.
I'm not thinking
No,
that.
I'm skeptical.
They locked in on GM and it was himself in the postseason. But as far as a guy
It was a
that has
no-brainer
been
once they
with
drafted Caleb
one
Williams.
MVP,
Yeah.
was on the verge of possibly winning another MVP, led the league in scoring, the emergence of Tyrese Maxey. Darren Moore, what are you gonna do? Like, seriously, what are you gonna do? Like, this team, it didn't really make too much noise in the draft.
Yeah,
I like the kid McClain that they got to do.
The
I
offensive
get it. I've
line.
been seeing his TikTok
They didn't
videos.
change none of the
all over
process.
the internet. The brother got his
Where do they go from here? Because they have that fancy new arena that's opening. Steve Ballmer has been very, very clear. They are still in win now mode.
with the Paul
That's a heck of a
George
last
lead.
word. Just stop there first.
And I was just saying, they're done. Like, no one on this panel right now is gonna pick the Clippers to even make any type of noise in the Western Conference. You can't depend on the Kawhi Leonard. You don't know what he's gonna do. I mean, for us, his health. James Harden, we don't trust him. We have a history that shows why we don't trust him.
Like I said, I ain't in a rush.
On my drive, keep it moving, hit the gas. On to the next play, no dwelling in the past. It's unusual how
You save for the things you dream about. That's it. We can automatically scan your spending to find you saving. Whatever you're saving for, we're all better off with an app.
Some people think it's impossible for a snack to be delicious and full of protein. But it's possible to be two things at once. Like today, I'm business and I'm casual. You'll play protein.
Another record books. Let's go grab the boy. Count number 2. Only 5 minutes. Silly direct for an almost call. What do you call it, Bill? Terrible foul, terrible loss. They got to do it right now. For home and win. They could have won the game. They led 1-0. They were shorthanded. They should have won the game. What do you think? I once missed a triple play at Dodgers Stadium because I was thinking on the toilet.
U.S. Senior Open in golf today when Frank Bizzle Jr., a journeyman pro, has back-to-back aces. It's an oddity that you have back-to-back par threes, but that actually has aces. Then he went 5-5-5. He ended up shooting 9 over par and not even making the cut. What a day of positives and negatives for Frank Bizzle Jr. Maybe next time you can actually shoot under par when you have 2 aces, not 1 in a round of golf.
What did he shoot? 9 over? While having 2 hole-in-ones? Who's had a hole-in-one here on this show? Mark, you? Lyle? You told us about your hole-in-one on the toilet there. All right, that's it. We'll see you guys. You're not doing that now. Great. See you, man.
Pardon the interruption, but I'm Mike Wilbon. We got a random Friday show. Sandwich between 2 days off on either side of it.
Sounds like a perfect opportunity. Going Frank. That's right. It's a Friday.
Yeah, my perfect opportunity. Well, what isn't a good opportunity for Phil and Frank?
Any day that they call me, that's how I look at the perfect opportunity. Your best availability.
We like that. Put me in, Coach.
Ability
Ready.
availability. Yeah, something like that.
Welcome to PTI. Tony apparently had other stuff to do. So here to carry his load is our great friend, Mr. Phil and Frank Isola.
Availability.
That's a Friday jump right there. Let's begin, Frank, with the NBA draft. Big freshmen went in the top 10, as did 2 Kentucky Wildcats and 2 UConn Huskies. So, given everything that went down, what were your primary takeaways from the new 2-game draft?
Light skin face, light skin
I
face.
feel like I know more about next year's projected who came out of the French league this week top pick and they're coming out of France.
Yeah.
You know, there still is bias. This needs a center. He has a lot of good perimeter defenders on that team in terms of guys like Marcus Morris and still going to be there.
Finished up this day in the life at a barbershop. I don't really know what I'm about to call this video yet. But I do want to say, discipline over motivation, man. Stay the course. Stick to the script. And don't chase nothing that ain't for you. Barbering is the journey. It's fun. I have a blast doing it. It's not the end goal, but it'll always be a part of my story. See y'all in the next one.
Right next to me, don't need it. Check out the AG and Addy. Come with the beef and we serving the patties. Check out the verbs if it's getting chatty. You gotta move, but ain't gotta prove that you out in the front. You do what you do when you ain't gotta stunt. Cause stumble is up in the proud, gotta punt. 4 to 10. If you wanna win, best put me in. I got the shooters that's ready to spin. They come with the king and he know how to win. He come to your team and he do it again. Rain to sleep when the sun is at its peak. Gotta keep moving my feet until my journey is complete.